pleased to welcome you to the iFXEXPO Cyprus. We're here in collaboration with Forex Magnates and iFXEXPO. Joining me in the booth now is Manos Damianou of Commex FX. Manos, thank you very much for coming in. Now, first things first, what makes Commex FX different? How do you position yourself amongst your competitors?
First of all, we're different in regards to the approach that we have regarding the relationship we have with our clients and the relationship we try and build with them. As far as we're concerned, all of our clients are VIP clients, irrespective of whatever their type of account they happen to have. So one thing that we're actually very big on is client feedback. We know that there's no such thing as a one-fits-all solution, so feedback is good, and also something we're very hot on is the customized approach. So by that I mean that all of our clients, as far as we're concerned, are individuals, and we try and make a specific trading experience as customized as possible.
How then has your business evolved over the last year, and what have been the main challenges? Similarly, if we look ahead to 2013, 2014, what challenges do you think lie ahead?
Yeah, that's a good question. It could take me a very long time, Natalie, but I'm aware you need to get back to Switzerland, I think, at some stage, so I'll try and keep it as short as possible. Challenges. The challenges always have been and always will be technologies. The technologies that we can provide our clients with. I mean, our clients are trusting us, they're trading with us, so they are putting their trust in us, and we take that as a big responsibility. The technologies, as I said, are what differentiate brokers from each other. So we try and remain at the cutting edge of the industry. Okay, so going forward, actually, there's been a very sharp turn towards the ECN model over the recent past. Mainly because, yes, clients are looking at competitive pricing, but they're also looking at seamless execution of their trades. So it's that transition from the seamless execution of the trade, basically, that transition that we see as the biggest challenge going forward into 2014.
What then are your views on transparency? Are we heading towards an exchange model? Will brokers all be ECN, as you've mentioned, with one data feed, or will some be sticking with the OTC model? And if so, then why?
Okay, well, our model, the Commex FX model, is very much based or entrenched in the ECN camp because we set out to offer an open and transparent trading experience, and we believe the best way to do that is through ECN execution. Now, second part of the question, I don't believe is quite as simple as to say, will all brokers in the future be ECN brokers with one data feed? I'm not quite so sure, because you have to ask yourself as a client, would it be necessarily an advantage or a benefit to you to have one data feed to trade off of? As I said, personally, I'm not convinced. So what I see going forward is, yes, an ECN environment, but with multiple data feeds. So the one data feed, yes, this is an industry where one of the great things about the industry is the diversity of the products that we offer. So again, if you were a client and having only one data feed to base your decisions off, would that be a good thing for you? We don't think so. So in short, the way I see it is an ECN environment with transparent pricing and also multiple data feeds.
What then about future strategy? New products, new geographical expansion, what can we expect?
Well, actually, over the last few months, we've seen quite a good response from a variety of geographic regions. Africa, the Far East, Australasia, places like Australia and New Zealand have actually been very responsive to our product of late. So part of the reason being is that we provide extensive options to our clients, and we do support the most popular payment processors. We do like to meet potential clients face to face, so I do indulge in a little bit of globetrotting. Reason being for that is not just as a pastime, it's actually because each area, we believe, has a different requirement. Each region has a different requirement. So we've got the product. We know we have a product, very good product, very competitive. So we're just basically trying to take that product to new areas, new geographical areas, and introduce it to new traders.
And last but by no means least, possibly one of the most important questions is, what are the best trading conditions that you can offer to your clients?
I could state the obvious and say it's our excellent spreads, but I think that would be doing an injustice to the rest of our product. Yes, spreads are important. I think we've covered that already. Clients do look at competitive pricing, but something that they we have found out is also execution, variety and choice is something that they're very big on. So execution-wise, we've always had excellent execution. Variety, we do have multiple, quite a wide array of instruments to trade on. And also choice, we do support multiple programs, multiple trading platforms, multiple trading platforms. So in a short answer to your question, we have great spreads, fantastic execution, both multiple instruments and trading platforms, all in a very transparent and friendly environment.
Manos, thank you very much for your insight. That's all for now. Goodbye.